Assalamu alaikum, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy you guys tuned in. So in today's video, I just wanted to give 5 tips and tricks that you can try if you find that your edges are thinning because of your constant use of the hijab. Basically, I am a hijabi. I wouldn't say I wear my scarf 24/7, but I do wear it a lot whenever I go outside, and even when I'm in the house sometimes I just throw it on for whatever reason. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the video. Tip number 1, and this might be controversial to some people, but in my opinion, your edges are a part of your hair, obviously. So if you're covering your hair, your edges shouldn't be showing. So basically, tip number 1 for those who do like to show their edges, to stop slaying your edges so much, because basically, the constant use of brushing them and twisting them and swirling, all that stuff that you have to do to slay your edges, it can cause your hair to thin out. So tip number 1, stop slaying your edges so much. Tip number 2 would be, if you are wearing your scarf, and especially if it's a cotton or like a thicker material scarf, to put a satin or a silk underscarf under the main scarf that you're going to be wearing. Basically, the cotton pulls moisture out of your hair, and especially at your edges where that's like a very thin part of your hair already. So wearing a satin or a silk scarf under your cotton hijab is gonna stop the withdrawal of moisture, and it'll keep your hair protected. Tip number 3 is going to be, put your hair in a protective style while it's under your hijab. I know for me personally, I don't like any type of bumps or things like that under my scarf. So my go-to style is to put my hair in a slick back ponytail. And when you put your hair into a ponytail, especially if it's, slick back tight, it causes tension on your edges. So one thing that I did try is to put my hair maybe in protective braids, things like that, so that it wouldn't cause so much tension on my hair or on my edges when I wear my scarf. Tip number 4 is going to deal with how to grow your edges back, especially if they started thinning. One thing that I know has really worked for me is rice water treatment, and basically is using the fermented rice water and applying that to your hair weekly. And that stuff is like miracle growth water. It stinks so bad, but I promise you it is so worth it. Basically, I would just say to use that once a week. There are plenty of YouTube videos on how to make rice water. You guys can check those out. But yeah, doing a rice water treatment once a week on your hair, that'll definitely grow your edges back. And tip number 5 is going to be castor oil, castor oil, castor oil. I'm sure you guys heard this so many times, how good castor oil is, but honestly, it really works. What I did when I was experiencing thinning of my edges, I would put the castor oil on my hair every day or every other day. Because it is a really thick oil, I did find that I had to wash my hair more often, about maybe 2 to 3 times a week because of buildup. But definitely using that at least once a day to every other day, and then washing your hair, deep conditioning your hair weekly, that'll help grow your edges back as well. So if you found these 5 tips helpful, useful, let me know in the comments down below what you guys think, and if you've tried some of these things, or if you tried different things that have worked for you that I did not mention, because I'm always open, to trying new things as well. So I just wanted to say thank you so much for the people that have subscribed. I really do appreciate it. I promise I read every single comment, and I try to comment back on the comments. I love interacting with you guys. I love reading the different things that you guys say. So thank you so much for the support. Honestly, it means so much to me. So yeah, if you watch this video and you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Why aren't you subscribed? What are you doing? Go ahead and subscribe. No, I'm just joking. Anyway, so subscribe, comment down below what you guys think, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye guys. How are you guys feeling about this new hijab style that I tried? I just wanted to do something a little different, like a turban, half up, half down. And I find that I keep going like this a lot, like it's hair, but it's not. But it's fun to play with because it's just hanging there. I don't know. I kind of like it. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below.